you guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 2.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Alright, let there be lights. They had to switch the string out because some of them didn't work. Now all of the lights are working. April's attired this morning. Oh. April, oh, look at the little slacks going on here, girl. What we got going on?
I got $1 fluffy socks. These are not my shoes. $4 slacks.
Oh.
And then this is like $1 basically if you do
Yeah, right. Oh, get it. The slacks here. Sorry.
Huh?
What do we have going on?
I'm about to rob a bank.
You know, you look like that man from Home Alone.
Marv.
Oh. How's it working out for you?
I gotta wait 30 to 40 minutes.
Oh, that's a long time for a face mask.
It's charcoal base. It's peppermint.
You should have put it on your head.
No.
April, what do you got going on?
Well, I'm waiting for my Mod Podge to dry.
Oh.
I'm thinking you were made for me.
Oh, she came in.
Mod Podge.
My Mod Podge.
Where you got
She
Mod Podge?
decorated her little pot that she bought yesterday.
Yeah.
Where's your other one?
Upstairs.
Oh, okay. What are you gonna name these plants?
The name is on the thing.
Booger and sugar.
Oh,
Hooray. It's after the...
hooray!
Hooray. It's because there's multiple. That is named after the Greek goddesses of the seasons.
Oh.
The hours.
Oh,
And the other one is one of those.
okay. All right, you guys. So while we're waiting on Darnell to clear his face with his little face mask, peel, whatever he got going on, I'm gonna go ahead and DIY this garland and this wreath that I purchased yesterday at Michael's. So let's go. All right, you guys, I had to put this trash bag down. So much glitter, and I do not feel like cleaning up a bunch of mess. All right, so this is what I purchased. It was like $5, and I'm just gonna fluff it out because this looks so sad. And I got a few picks that I purchased yesterday because they were like 50% off. But I have so much in my travel box that I brought with me. First thing is to fluff our wreath. Let's do. Okay, so that's a bit more like it. And I have some stream lights that I had in my little decorations. They're from Germany, but I went on and purchased some batteries, and I'm gonna put the lights inside of here as well. Okay, let's see if the lights work. Okay, really quickly, I finally got this unraveled, but these are multiple streams of lights. So I'm gonna hide the battery pack on the back of here somehow. And
Here you go. Lick your ice cream cone. It's delicious.
Hey. I got ice cream cone.
I had to ride with it out the window so it'll stay cold.
Lunchtime.
I guess you dessert time first.
Can you go give me a cup for it? I got an ice cream cone. I'm about to eat. I'm finished. Here is what I have going so far. I may take this one out, but I'm gonna eat my food and come back and work on the reef. Okay, so here goes. This girl went outside and went and found.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. She went and found all of the pine cones so I can finish. Girl, this is so good. This is the beauty of living
In the Midwest.
in the Midwest with all the free pine cones. We don't have to go to Michael's. Alright, so look at how it looks without the pine cones. I had to hang it on the door. It was much easier for me to work. But look how good this is going to look. She went and got him for me. Look out.
I went hunting
She went down
in the wilderness.
in the in the Midwest streets with all.
Yeah. Got some of these. Please. I'm sorry.
Girl,
Thank you.
the shenanigans of this. So we're back at it again. Now Miss Thing has to go back to the post office. Earlier Darnell took her, and now we're going back again. She has more packages to send off. And so come join us as we finish dates. Ooh, look at April. She's driving us. Whole car right there. Ooh, a stop sign.
Ooh, why do you choose to rake when it's getting cold out, Miss May? I'm too far away from the wheel
April,
already.
you're super duper close to the steering wheel. I promise it's like driving this.
I am not even.
Can you sit back and relax, please? Just a little bit.
Jolly Christmas. It's the best time.
We just need to focus on the road. That's
Say
it.
hello.
That's it.
Why? If I can't play the radio,
No.
then you should let me sing.
You are a beginner. We have a permit
Oh, see, now I
sticker.
gotta start over. Have a holly.
Are you're not even in the parking space.
Yes, I am.
April, please go park. Hey, so we're gonna run in and grab some Starbucks drinks this evening, and then we gotta take April to work because she has to work today. Okay, so I just had to show you, I have to sit my wreath up to start making sure things are like symmetrical, because laying on the floor sometimes it doesn't always work out. So I want to sit it up on something, so I just propped it up on this box. And what I'm using are these little picks right here. And I already had one, but when I went back to drop my daughter off, I grabbed a few more of these little picks. They're like $2.53 at Michael's right now, and I'm just randomly sticking them in here. I think I may put one more here at the bottom. Look how good that looks. So yeah, there we go. All right, you guys, so here goes the finished result of my little DIY wreath. I just added these little 4 picks and then these little berries, and this wreath cost less than 20 bucks from Michael's, but that's with the picks with half off, and then I was able to get military discount as well. So the wreath itself was about 5 bucks, and then the picks were about $3 a piece, and then all of these little berries were $1 for a bunch. So yeah, how cute did this turn out. And I just styled it over here on this little console. Okay, so what I'm going to do is these deer that I had from last year had the white on there. I'm just going to add these little berries that I got from Michael's for $1. They were half off, so I'm just putting it around. And then I'm going to take a little tiny piece of rhinestone and just dress my little deer up so it can be all fancy. Pretend if this was my real home, I would probably have like a mirror and layer this over a mirror or something like that. But I just stuck it on this wall, and here goes this cute deer.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in.
Done. I think it's so cute. I have 4 picks in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these little berries with this little cute deer. I didn't want to remove all the white because, I just added these little crimson berries to match back in with the wreath, and put a little rhinestone scarf on it. You know, that's all just temporary, just giving you an idea of styling. And then I just put my Tom Ford book here. This is from Inspire Me Home. It's just a little tray. And my candle, which is from Bath & Body Works, and the candle is also from Bath & Body Works. So here goes a little styling idea if you have like a little entryway table or a console table or something like that. You know, if you wanted to add a wreath on top of a mirror, would be super cute as well. Okay, here goes the wreath. You can actually see the little lights sparkling through. So cute. Again, I already had the string lights on hand, but I know you can find them for a few bucks inexpensively. This is a battery operated one. So yeah, look how cute. Here goes the wreath. I just added this one little crystal-y ornament. It's hanging off of the wreath holder. Yeah, so there we go. And here goes a little, this is just a temporary little setup. Alright, I just wanted to share, this is just a quick little styling idea. This is temporary. I'm going to take it down right after I finish filming. But I just wanted to share how you could sell your wreath, maybe an entryway door, you know, console table, whatever the case may be. But here goes the wreath on the door with the lights. Let me see. There you go, without any lights. And here goes this little console. This will look super cute too if it had like some little twinkle lights in here. But you nonetheless, you get the idea. Right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little decorate with me Vlogmas day number 2. We didn't do much. Hopefully tomorrow we will have more content. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.